Okay, so I did my ATA article analysis on the article, The Hip Hop DJ. The Hip Hop DJ, like the Jedi in Star Wars fighting against evil, and during strenuous training, accepting a lifelong commitment to obtaining the knowledge of the universe and being heard but never seen. The hip hop DJ has very much the same destiny. So in Star Wars, like it says, fighting against evil, the hip hop DJ wants to fight against everybody and get to the best man he can be. The hip hop DJ has to endure the process of obtaining a vast knowledge of music and rhythm, also known as the Force, which is a Star Wars term. They want to be able to synchronize the grooves and beats and continually search for new sounds to maintain his status in the culture. In Star Wars, becoming a Jedi meant that a warrior had to feel the Force, know and always recognize it. So if a DJ wants to be a warrior, they want to get the Force so they know they're the best DJ around. DJ Kool Herc and others. DJ Kool Herc traveled with a massive sound system that was impressive in its own right. Grandmaster Flash was his technician about his work. He went against the rules of the disco DJs and left behind smooth mixes. So they're saying Grandmaster Flash was different from most other DJs. The Triforce Kool DJ Herc had a style of playing oldies but goldies and also playing the dopest part of the records. So that means he was different than others because he didn't play the same stuff everybody else played. However, despite the equipment and technique, a DJ has to be in total harmony with the rhythms. That means being at one with the Force. And the one who understood that overall was Afrika Bambaataa, who was an African DJ also. Other DJs during that time, in the early 70s, were Kool DJ D, DJ Smoke and the Smokatrons, Mean Gene, Disco King Mario, Pete DJ Jones, Grandmaster Flowers, and DJ Hollywood. However, Herc, Flash, and Bambaataa had the most profound influence on the development of the hip-hop culture. Turn of the Jedi. We now see a new genre of music, a distorted byproduct of true hip-hop culture called rap music, where the MC has been transformed into something called a rapper, which is the one who raps the music. The hip-hop DJ now spends more time with samplers, computers, synthesizers, and drum machines than with turntables. Now some DJs just call themselves producers, and the rap artist depends on them to make up beats with the new technology. So old school DJs don't like to call themselves DJs anymore because the DJs now like to use different and new technology that isn't pure, like turntables. So it seems that everything happens for a reason, because now that sampling is the main process of rap music, the producer has to find new sounds to sample. He must educate himself like the original hip-hop DJs did, because the only way to compete is to practice hard and research the new quest for beats. This is my ATA article analysis, The Hip-Hop DJ by Joshua Fouché. Thank you.